ukuthi ayenza
Blind, eh?
apanaka iphuma leso yakho yazi mfana ukuthi yabona singabantu mfana sinamaphupho yabo hayi noma ungabalaleli mfana abantu abathi akwazi ukujayiva sometimes mina ngifuna utshintshe i-mindset yakho yabo into ungayibeki to that negative thing like ubeke to a positive thing ngithola njalo like wena ngokwakho uzitshele mfana ukuthi uyakwazi ukujayiva ayishaya yabo even though ungakwazi but sometimes you have to change your mindset yabo mfana still mfana noma ungayenzanga awukwazi mfana ukujayiva yeka vaya aphinde nje